Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore or reopen your last browsing session in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you'll notice there are actually two different methods you can use to restore your previous browsing session, and I'll walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever works best for you. Let's start with the first method. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the Chrome menu. Once the menu appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled History. When you do this, a sub-menu will expand to the side showing your recent browsing activity. Now look carefully at the top of this sub-menu and you'll see an entry that says Tabs, and next to it, it will show you the number of tabs from your last session. For example, it might say 4 tabs or however many you had open before. Click on that Tabs option and then select Restore Windows from the menu. This will immediately reopen all the tabs and windows you had active during your previous browsing session, bringing everything back exactly as you left it. Now let's move on to the second method, which is actually even more convenient if you want Chrome to automatically restore your tabs every time you open the browser. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner again to open the menu. This time, instead of hovering over History, click on Settings near the bottom of the menu. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left side of your screen where you'll see a vertical menu with different categories. In this menu, click on the option that says On Start Up. This section controls what happens when you first launch Chrome. Here, you'll see several radio button options for how Chrome should behave when it opens. Click on the radio button next to continue where you left off. By selecting this option, Chrome will automatically restore all your tabs and windows from your last session every single time you close and reopen the browser. This means you'll never have to manually restore your session again, it will happen automatically. And that's it. You've now learned two different ways to restore your browsing sessions in Google Chrome, one for quick manual restoration and one for automatic session recovery. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.